heading back into the school because there is something that I forgot to do this week, and that is to show you how to work a chalkboard. Alright, so I came in this side because you'll notice that the last time we did this, that I had already created a chalkboard. Now what you may remember is that I use signs to do it. However, these particular signs come in limited colors and they may not be particularly good for contrast for people who are colorblind. So, let's talk about another way that we can create words on the chalkboard without using signs. Oops. Put 128 width by 128 height. Create. Alright, so this is one I've already created. And there we go. I'm going to cover this one black. And I'm going to enlarge it. Then I want to add some white text. White text. And is it 12.1? And I'm going to put in the joke of the day. How about, do you know any jokes about sodium? And when you're finished with that, you're gonna save it. As a PNG file. Then you go to the map item tool to create a map from your image. It's not where this is. This is going to be Alright, so then you'll notice that I've got Miss Emily's classroom from earlier, step 1, and Miss Emily's joke of the day. Alright, so I'm going to place these on my board, put a frame around it. Alright, so there's a frame. There's my map. Not bad. Another frame. And joke of the day. And then, so what they're going to do today. And another frame. And at least the very first step. And so that's what it would look like. Thanks for joining me.